Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevrolet Cruze and I will show you how to remove and replace the cabin air filter. This video will apply to Chevy Cruzes made from 2008 all the way up to 2016. Now, cabin air filter is located just behind the glove box. So first you will have to lower the glove box to gain access to the filter housing and then remove the filter. Okay, so to start, first you will open the glove box and then you will have to detach this holder on the side, which is on this string. Okay, now to do this you will have to partially close the glove box, then pull on this string on this side to be able to remove it here. I'm not sure if I'll be able to record it because I have to use both of my hands. Give me just a moment. Okay, now this is the idea, right? You have to get it to this position, then just push it out here. See? And now it's completely disconnected. Once that is done, you will have two black holders, one here on the top and one on the other side as well. So you want to pop them out, turn them to completely be able to pull down the glove box. Okay, and the idea with this is you have to kind of pry it here and then pull the glove box in the opposite direction to lower it down, you see, and do that on both sides. I will show you here. You see, there's this thing. You can completely remove it if you wish to, right? And when you're installing it back, you just have to get it back in this position, and then it's gonna clip to that opening on each side. And now you will have access to the air filter just behind this cover in the back. To remove this cover and access the filter, you will have a couple of clips. Again, you see you'll have one clip here, just have to push it away, you see, to be able to get the cover off. You have the same thing here, just push it out, and you'll have one here on the top, just here, same thing. You just want to kind of unclip it. Okay, so I just unclipped all of them. Now I can lower it. You see this clip, you just have to kind of lift it up. You have to squeeze your hand in there and lift this up, and these guys on the side you just have to push to the side. And now here is the filter, right? You can try to pull it out with your fingers or use pliers or anything similar. Okay, and here it is. Now when you're installing the new filter in, always make sure to watch the arrow of the airflow. It always has to be pointing down. Now if you get like the aftermarket filter, the location of the arrow might be somewhere on the side or who knows, but always we want to make sure the arrow is pointing down. And then you will just install the filter straight into the opening. And one more tip, also make sure to clean the inside as well before you install the new filter. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.